Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to stop your background apps running on your Android phone. So what you want to do is swipe down from top right and then go to settings. So let's go to settings. Scroll all the way down to about phone. Go on down to software information. Go to build number and tap this 5 times. Then you're going to unlock the developer mode and we can go back. Go to the main settings menu, scroll all the way down, and here's developer options unlocked. We can tap on this now and scroll on down, and we're looking for something called running surfaces. Click this. Now these are your apps running in the background. You can just choose it and you can stop it. So you can go to settings right here. So I can see settings is running. I can just tap stop and this might close settings. So yep, it did. So you can stop applications from running in the background. So let's say you downloaded something like, I have this app lock on my phone that was running, and I was able to stop it through there. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.